Hello everybody, my name is George. This video is about cross-site request forgery. It occurs when the browser is used to forge a HTTP request with the victim's cookie or any other authentication information to a vulnerable application. These forged requests are interpreted as legitimate requests by the application. For example, a bank can use the following URL to transfer funds from an account to another. The application only allows authenticated users to transfer money, but an attacker can create a web page with a hide empty picture that calls its URL. If this page is opened by the victim's browser, the money will be transferred. It occurs because the cookie used in the authentication is stored in the browser, and when the user opens the web page, it is used. The main goal of this problem is to place an order in other user exploring the CSRF vulnerability. We can use the landing page server to host a malicious web page. First of all, let's open Burp application and configure the Firefox to use its proxy. I'm going to log in the user hacker10. Next, I'm going to buy some callbells and analyze the requests used in this operation. You can observe that the transaction is being made passing the quantities and products through the URL. Let's change it a little bit and check if it is still working. Okay, it's still working. Now let's change the cookie value and check what happens. You can notice that it's not possible to order something if you don't have a valid cookie. So we should try to explore the CSRF vulnerability and buy some callbells in another user. I have constructed this web page that hides an empty image in its body. The links here are called when the web page is loaded, but only the text "Hello my dear friend" will be shown to the user. Let's open the landing page here and check if the order is placed as expected. Done. The order was placed as we thought. Now let's log in the Hacker11 user and open the landing page to check if the CSRF attack has succeeded, as well as in the user hacker10. Okay, now let's check in the history page. Perfect, the state of the art. Reviewing. Cross-site request forgery is not being prevented in this application. Links can be sent to another user, already logged in, to execute operations that can, for example, order and pay items. I have created a malicious web page that by callbells if a user already logged in opens the page. I open this page in the browser and new callbells were bought as expected. A good solution to this attack is protect all the requests with tokens that can be added, for example, in the body of the HTTP GET request. The application will check if the token is valid and then send an updated token to the requester. This protection avoids that a malicious site uses the CSRF to execute operations in the application without the proper tokens.